If you want to stay organized at work and keep your schedule under control, Google Calendar is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Calendar for work, step by step, so you can manage meetings, deadlines, tasks, and team events without missing anything important. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Calendar. You can do this from your web browser by going to calendar.google.com, or you can open the Google Calendar app on your phone if you want to manage your schedule on the go. Once you're signed in, you'll see your calendar view and all your upcoming events in one place. Now let's create your first work event. To do that, click on the date and time where you want the event to appear. A new event box will open, and this is where you can enter all the details. Start by giving the event a clear title, like team meeting, client call, project deadline, or content review. Then add the date and time so it appears exactly where it belongs on your schedule. This is one of the best ways to use Google Calendar for work because you can keep everything in one place instead of trying to remember it all manually. You can also add a description if you want to include notes, links, or meeting details. For example, you could paste a Zoom link, a project brief, or a checklist right inside the event. Next, if the event is a meeting with other people, you can add guests. Just type in their email addresses in the guests section. Once you add them, Google Calendar can send invitations automatically. This makes it easy to coordinate with your team because everyone gets the event directly in their inbox and can respond with yes, no, or maybe. If your meeting needs a video call, Google Calendar makes that easy too. Just click the option to add Google Meet video conferencing. This will generate a meeting link automatically so your guests can join the call without needing to create anything extra. It's a simple way to keep your work meetings connected and professional. Now let's talk about colors, because this is a great way to make your calendar easier to read at a glance. You can use different colors for different types of work activities. For example, you might use one color for meetings, another for projects, and another for deadlines or personal work tasks. This helps you quickly see what kind of day you have ahead without clicking into every event. If you have regular work meetings or repeated tasks, you should create recurring events. This is perfect for weekly team meetings, daily stand-ups, monthly check-ins, or any activity that happens on a schedule. When creating the event, look for the repeat option and set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom pattern. That way, you only need to create it once and Google Calendar will handle the rest. Another important part of using Google Calendar for work is setting notifications. Notifications help you stay on time and reduce the chances of forgetting important events. You can add a reminder that appears minutes, hours, or even days before the event starts. For example, you might want a reminder 10 minutes before a meeting or 1 day before a project deadline. This gives you time to prepare instead of rushing at the last second. Once your events are added, use the week view to review your schedule. The week view is especially useful for work because it gives you a clear picture of your upcoming days side by side. You can see how busy you are, spot overlapping meetings, and make better decisions about how to plan your time. If your week looks too full, you can move things around before the schedule becomes overwhelming. This is where Google Calendar really becomes a productivity tool, not just a place to store events. When you regularly review your week, you can plan focused work time, protect your deadlines, and avoid last-minute stress. It also helps you balance meetings with actual time to get work done. So to recap, the best way to use Google Calendar for work is to open your calendar, create events for meetings and deadlines, add guests when needed, include Google Meet links for video calls, use colors to organize different work activities, set recurring events for repeated tasks, turn on notifications for reminders, and check the week view to stay ahead of your schedule. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.